What's up? My name is Jeff. I'm a young adult here at Great Life 808. I just want to say I'm really excited about your guys' first encounter. You guys are in for a great night, a life-changing experience. This is the start of many encounters, so we just wanted to encourage you tonight that whatever you do, always remember that you are a chosen generation.
Beating to the sound of triumph, our hearts beat boldly before a blessing, confessing that we have a call. Hear the call, the cry, young people. You come from a family, a city, a relationship, and are tailored and equipped to flip this moment, this week, this year upside down. You've been crowned, anointed, appointed to step outside of the norm. For it was said, you were formed in your mother's womb. He, the Most High, created your innermost being. Psalm 139:13. You are existing because He created you for this moment. Like the last shot to win the biggest game of your life, the ball is in your court. This week is short. The mountain that before you was like Everest, but you were made to do the impossible. So climb it. Go and stand. Stand in the fire with the same spirit that lived in Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. You were made to acquire this land. Muster up everything you've got inside and push. Like 4th down and 1, fight for this inch to get this done. Because in the end, the battle has already been won. You have what it takes. Picture this, He created the sky, the sea, the air we breathe. How much more has He created you to plant the seed, to plant and grow those tremendous towering trees? Like lions, you lead the pack. So let your leadership let loose and take back what was ours and shout Jesus Christ from the mountaintop. Plant your feet. You've got the preparation of peace, the sword of the Spirit, the shield of faith. You've got the breastplate of righteousness and the helmet of salvation. You are the warriors of this time, a chosen generation. So go chosen generation, exhibit and express, be bountiful and blessed. These are your defining moments.